Let's talk about the reproductive health for Neet 2027 examination biology. Now, there is the artificial ART, that is assisted reproductive technologies. There are lots of technologies. Those couples who cannot produce their offsprings. Now, one of them is intracytoplasmic sperm injection, that is ICSI. Now, intra means inside, cytoplasmic it means the cytoplasm itself, semi fluid kind of thing of sperm through the injection. So cytoplasmic sperm is injected into the womb is another specialized procedure to form an embryo in the lab. In the lab, in which a sperm is directly injected, that is injected inside. This is why it's intra. So injected into the womb. So this technology is intracytoplasmic sperm injection. Now there is another technique. That is artificial insemination, that is AI technique. What is that? Now, infertility cases either due to the inability of the male partner to inseminate the female or due to very low sperm counts in the ejaculates. So, if the male partner is not capable of to inseminate the female, or because the male has very low sperm counts than the required in the ejaculates, so for this issue it's corrected by the artificial insemination, that is AI technique. Now what this technique has? So in this technique the sperm, the semen, not the sperm, the semen is made up of seminal fluid plus sperm. Okay, so the semen collected either from the husband or a healthy donor which we want is artificially introduced either into the vagina or into the uterus. Now there are two options: through the vagina or into the uterus, directly where the implantation takes place, where embryo implantation takes place. So if it's into the vagina or if it's into the uterus, it is IUI, that is intra, because it's inside the uterus. So intrauterine insemination. Insemination is because it's a kind of artificial insemination in which the semen is injected. Okay, semen is artificially induced. Semen is artificially introduced. Introduce means kind of injected. So it's artificial insemination. The example is intrauterine insemination or through the vagina. So this was the intracytoplasmic sperm injection, artificial insemination, and intrauterine insemination.